Hi, my name is Denise Myrick of Keller Williams Bay Area Estates, and welcome to 853 Buchser Way, a very charming Willow Glen home nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac, featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on an oversized lot. This is a wonderful home and has been meticulously maintained. It's bright and warm with natural light throughout. It has a great ranch-style floor plan with a large living space as you enter, a casual dining area looking out to the front patio, and the kitchen and breakfast bar open to a cozy family room featuring a brick fireplace with surrounding built-ins. Both bathrooms have had some updates over the years. And the house also features dual pane windows with plantation shutters, newer carpet, and interior fresh paint, as well as an HVAC and water heater. The oversized backyard is over 8,100 square feet with fruit trees and lots of garden space. There's even a cute original fire pit that just adds to the home's charm. There's enough space to expand the current home footprint or add outdoor features like a built-in kitchen, swimming pool, or even an accessory dwelling unit. This location is absolutely amazing. It's a block from a local shopping center which includes Safeway, yummy restaurants like Toast Cafe and Bebo's Pizza, Pilates, nail and spa boutiques, and more. This location is also a short stroll to Willow Glen's famous The Avenue, with shopping, top-rated restaurants, and businesses. Wonderful local schools include Willow Glen Elementary, Willow Glen Middle, and Willow Glen High School. It also is near River Glen Park, the train, bus and high-tech shuttle stops, as well as easy access to multiple freeways and downtown San Jose, home to an abundance of high-tech employers, including the new Google campus. This is a wonderful home opportunity you don't want to miss. Give us a call today for more information or a private showing. Thank you.